What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another case comparison video. This time we're going to be looking at the Moshi VersaCover versus the Otterbox Symmetry Series 360. Let's get it on. So when I first got my iPad, this was the first case that I picked up. This was one of the first ones that was available. This is the Otterbox Symmetry Series 360, and it actually served its purpose well. I really appreciated the build of this case. I really appreciated this microfiber lining on the inside. It's extremely soft. It's not going to tear up your screen. It's not going to get it scratched up. The outside is a nice premium TPU type material. You get rubber bumpers, everything aligns perfectly, and buttons nice and tactile. Here, volume up and down, power button at the top. Your camera sits down in this nice recess, so you're not going to get it scratched up. I've been through the UAGs, I've been through the Zugu, which was my favorite not too long ago. Otterbox, which had a really big bulky one. I've had Poetic cases. The list goes on and on. Now, the new one, the one that I just picked up, this is the Moshi VersaCover. Now, Otterbox is a little bit heavier. It's a little bit more protective, but the majority of people are not dropping their tablets on a daily basis. I've had this tablet since the day it came out. I have not dropped this tablet one time. Most people take care of their $1,000 devices. I am like most people. Now, this is not as protective as the Otterbox. I'm going to tell you that right up front. But when it comes to functionality, when it comes to comfort, the Moshi VersaCover is the case that you want to have. I've had no issues with my screen cover, my tempered glass. I've had no issues with it lagging while it has been in this case. With this case and other cases, I have had lag issues. I've had no issues with this folding without the pencil. It still fits really nice. You get that magnet right there. Boom, it stays nice and tight. And then even when you want to add this, put your pencil in, it supports Apple charging, and it still looks really nice, and it's going to protect that pencil and hold it and allow it to charge. The back. Only issue with the back over here on the Symmetry series is, I'm going to show you right here, gets really smudged up and it gets scratches on it over time. Not over here with the Moshi. Let me explain. So the same is not true over here with the Moshi. The Moshi has a matted finish. I've had no scratches. It gets no smudges, no fingerprints. I can touch it all day. Has no issues. Also, the Moshi has a smoother finish on the front, and it's more of a polyester type material. You're going to be able to just wipe this off if something happens. If you get a stain on it, you're going to be able to clean this. On the inside, you get this origami type case. Now, I know a lot of people have knocked me for the way I fold it. You can fold it any manner. I fold it like that. I stand it up. That's how I use it. That's how I rock it. That's how I like it. Now, if you want to fold it in different kind of ways, they have a video online where they will tell you the different ways to fold it. I'm not going through all those. I just fold it like this, one way, boom. And if I want to stand it up like this in a typing mode, that's what I do. Just like that. Simple, easy, straight to the point. Now, other thing I really like about the Moshi is, let me show you. Once you put it to the back of this iPad, it stays. And once you press that down, all of that stays put. Notice I'm holding this from the top. I'm holding this from the iPad. This is not budging. You line this up the way you want it. The magnets in the back of the iPad, the magnets on the Moshi cover actually hold it firm and steady in place. Over here, you get a little weak point. Let me show you what I mean by that. So with the Otterbox Symmetry Series 360, you're going to be able to clamp this magnet behind to hold it there steady. But if you hold it here, you notice that gap that you get that hanging. So the whole front case is not magnetic. Over on the Moshi side, Moshi, you get no gap, you get no edge. I'm holding it just like I was holding the Otterbox, and I'm having no issues. So when you're holding this, it fits really comfortably in your hand. You're going to be able to hold it just like a book style, and if you're reading, you're not going to have to worry about trying to pick that back and that middle up. So the choice is clear for me as of right now. You know, I may get another case in next week. I may like that one better, but for right now, I'll be rocking the Moshi. The Moshi VersaCover is going to be the case that I use on a daily basis for right now. So I'll leave links below to both of these cases. Like I said, there's nothing really wrong with this case, but I'm looking for comfort and longevity. And when I find one that I really like, I kind of stick with it for a little while until the next one comes, or until I get tired of this one and go back to my Zugu. But hope this is able to help someone. Hope you enjoyed the comparison. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.